i-document kita.
Why?
Wala lang, para meron akong ilalagay sa vlog. Me and my brother is on a mission to find a pink tank top for guys. Para sa kanta. Ano gagawin mo? Ba't mo kailangan ng pink tank top?
I'm musical theater.
What are you gonna be? Why do you need a pink one?
Maybe Ken.
He's gonna be Ken. Anywhere else, he's gonna be a 10. But here, he's kinda like 0.5.
Okay.
Wala sila yung ano. Ito ba? Tingnan mo kung setting spray yan. You know, setting spray. This one.
Mahal naman yun.
I know, right?
Yung-
Bigay mo na lang sa akin after.
Yung setting powder na lang.
Ito na lang, oh, Magic Matte Mist and Set. Para matte yung mukha mo. Yun, 7 lang, oh. Why do you close your eyes like that? Parang may sabi.
Itay, ba't ka nandito?
Parang first time, ah. Okay ka. I'm just gonna put in your... You look stupid. Hello, so I am in my break now. It's 1:20 p.m. Medyo natagal lang kasi madami akong ginawa for my work. So ngayon, dadaan ako sa Canada Post first. And then I'm gonna drop this off. This is a returnee package to Shein. Kasi may binili ako doon 2 dresses. Kaso hindi magandang quality. Although madalas naman na nabibili ko, magaganda. Ito lang ang dalawa na to. I don't really like it. So I'm gonna return it. And easy lang naman mag-return. So might as well. $50 din siya. So yeah, after that, bibili ako ng food. And then go back to work. And yeah. Got this.
I would be like, I'm done. You know, I'm going home.
Pagod na. Pagod sa buhay. brothers and sisters, we're INC. You and me, together we're strong in unity. With one voice we praise our Father, for we're INC. Lift your voice, so daughter of Zion, praise our Father up above. Lift your torch of salvation, shines bright as the sun. Good morning. So it's Tuesday today. I look like this because my head is hurting so bad. I'm having a migraine. And I'm supposed to go to work, but I called in an hour ago because ang sakit talaga ng ulo ko. So I'm having a jaw problem. Actually, nag-start to when I did my Invisalign. It's so minsan sobrang tight dito. Umaabot hanggang dito yung sakit. It's causing migraine. I need to have it checked because I don't like getting migraines. So, I mean, no one does, but yeah. So, I emailed my boss. I told her that I'm not gonna go into work today. I'm gonna use my sick time. So far, wala pang reply, but I think as long as I emailed, it's fine. So, it's gonna be an easy day today. I'm probably just gonna clean our room and then finish the recordings that I was doing last night. And, yeah. But it's gonna be an easy day. So, matutulog pa ako. It's already, what? I think 9, 10 a.m. But, yeah. I'm gonna take more sleep. Siguro mga 1 hour pa. Sana pagkagising ko din naman sa ulo ko. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Di tayo mag-bed rot ngayon, Gio. We're gonna do something. So, I'm gonna make some mango float or graham, mango graham. So my brother bought some ingredients and he's been asking me to make one since, I don't know. So, since I'm off today, might as well just do it now. So, ang ingredients na ginagamit ko is whipping cream, condensed milk, mango. Wala kasi kami. It's so hard to find a good kind of mango here. But yeah. Pala sure, bumili yung kapatid ko ng sliced mango canned. And peach. Yeah. Kasi it's mango, peach. Graham? Yeah, naglalagay pala ako ng peach. So, and then the crackers. I'm gonna whip the whipped cream. Actually, nauubos ko yung isang ganito, pero hindi naman all the time. Then, ilalagay ko na din yung condensed milk. Actually, yung tila dito, binibigay ko pa Chi. Kasi gustong-gusto na. Isa lang nilalagay ko para hindi masyado matamis kasi nakakaumay. And my dad can't really eat too sweet food. So, as much as possible, dahil gusto niya din ito, hindi namin tinatamisan. the finished product. Mga 3 layers yung nagawa ko. And then, yeah.
Press a photo up above.
Hello! Okay, so Friday na ngayon. And for the past 2 days, no, Monday and Tuesday, nag-call in ako sa work kasi sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. Karoon ako ng migraine. So, I need to rest. And then, yesterday, we went to North Battleford for a visitation for work. Hindi din ako nakapag-video masyado kasi it's work thing. So, I can't really like put out my camera, my phone all the time and take a video. So, yeah, wala din ako masyadong video that day. So, ngayon, Friday na. Mali. So, Monday pumasok ako. Tuesday, Wednesday, absent ako. And then, Thursday, we went to North Battleford. That's yesterday. And then, today, Friday na. So, ngayon, magkakaroon kami ng team building ng mga ka-work ko. We're gonna go to Saskatchewan River here in Saskatoon. And we're gonna try the Prairie Lily Cruise. So, alis ako ng 1:30 to go there. And then, probably mga 2 or 3, tapos na kami.
Thank you.
John, be careful. Don't trip, okay?
Welcome aboard, ladies.
Hello.
Hi, welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Hi.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yes, you can. Do you want to swap one?
Windows down, feeling the breeze with you beside me. Everything's at ease. The radio's playing our favorite song as we cruise through the night where we belong. Cruising through love hand in hand, with every mile our hearts expand. Underneath the moonlit sky up above, we're just cruising through love. The city lights paint a picture so bright, reflecting in your eyes. Pure delight, no destination, just the open road. With you, darling, I found my abode. Cruising through love hand in hand, with every mile our hearts expand. Underneath the moonlit sky up above, we're just cruising through love. The city lights paint.
Hi ka sa vlog ko.
Pakita ang nails. Ay, wala.
I-ano mo yung pastillas niya.
Tsaka yung sa
Sponsored by Chocolate.
Period. You guys want something? I want you. I want you more.
Kapaka-millennial nito. So, pauwi na kami. Bye-bye. Galing kami sa lang. Alam mo yung lagi umpisa ng vlog ko. So, hello!
Rinig ka ba? Is the question.
Hindi nila ako rinig. So, iba, ano ko na lang to. Isa-subtitle ko na lang.
I-subtitle nyo
Actually,
na
may
lang.
mic ako, hindi ko din alam.
Oo, dapat dala nyo.
Nanood kayo ng fireworks.
Oo.
Ganda siya. Nakaka-upload. Babalik kami bukas.
Oh,
Yun lang. Thank you. Bye-bye.
ayoko.
Ang dami lang na movie. Ayun, flash. Yung di mo, ano lang.
Tingnan nyo ulit yung dalawa nagka-piano, nagsasagutan lang sila.
Ha?
Dalawa ka, bukas, wala tayo.
What if it's like this?
Pero nung ano, bago yun, bago namin ikutan.
Okay. Hindi ko iisipin.
Wala ba, nagkaroon ng suit.
Ano in-order mo, Linsunet?
Dalawang kikiam, isang kabuki, and one sola. It's a lot. Minsan lang ito.
Yeah. Ang dami pagkain. Nakakatakutin yun. Ang dami ding Filipino food, no?
15 agad yung food trucks ng Pilipino. 15 out of 40? Oh my God.
Parang naging
That's all.
Pinoy
Just the 4
festival.
things.
Dapat nakapalalit tayo.
Ano ba?
Magalit ka. Ala, nag-picture na. Oo, talaga. Pinoy dito.
Bakit na?
1, 2, 3.
From the front.
Kaya, sana, ayoko. Taktilan, tandalan to.
Parang yung ano mo.
Kasi nanay.
Tikman mo muna. Masarap.
Wait lang, ala.
Kalat mo. Kalat mo. Ganun.
Ganun mo lang.
My love
Isabel.